Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my December Ipsy BoxyCharm box. We are closing out the year with this box right here, so I'm very excited to see what is inside. So that's what today's gonna be all about. We're gonna unbox this together and see what I got this month and try out whatever we could try out together. So before we get into this, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, you guys. Thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see my December Ipsy unboxing, stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right guys, we can just jump right in. As usual, I don't know what's inside. I did just like open the little tab that was sealed closed right here so I wouldn't struggle with it on camera, but I promise I did not peek. I don't know what is inside. We are in this together as usual. So we're gonna open this up and see what December has brought us. I'm assuming this is all gonna be like Christmassy, New Year's, holiday related because it is December, but we'll see, maybe I'm wrong. So opening this up, we have the little like newsletter thing, and then we can scan to see what products are inside of here just to get their like descriptions and stuff. So we can get started. I'm gonna scan this and let's just pull some things out of the box. So first thing I see when I open is KVOSS Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter. I love highlighters. Let me find this one. Oh, it's KVOSSNYC. Sorry, I don't know why I thought it was like KO. KVOSSNYC Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter in Moonlight and Star-Kissed. This is the first time that I'm hearing about this brand. I always get really excited when there's new brands in here. So this one is valued at $28. It's 8 grams, so it's full-sized. It's a highlighter. It says, want your skin to come alive at night? This silky, skin-loving highlighter knows all about that. The one-of-a-kind formula packed with crushed minerals, artichoke leaf extract, and evening primrose oil adjusts to your skin's undertones and helps amplify your natural radiance. And thanks to ingredients like oregano, rosemary, and lavender extracts, it has a creamy feel that applies seamlessly and doesn't cake. So let's open this up and see. Okay guys, my eyes are glancing and I see a brush, so I might wait to apply this on my face, like so I can read whatever this brush is, because I'm sorry, I'm not peeking, but I just see like the outline of a brush. So I'm gonna apply this with that. So here is like the 2 shades that you get. This one is definitely on like the light, almost pinky side, and then this one is definitely more like goldish bronze. So, oh, these are so buttery soft when I touch them. Oh my god. That is so nice. And they are really beautiful. I wouldn't say they're like beaming highlights, but they're highlighting, if you know what I mean. Like, I guess we'll see when I put it on my face, but just from the swatch, they look like they would give you a nice, like, natural lit from within kind of glow. Like, maybe I'm wrong, but just from seeing the swatch, they don't look like they would be like beaming highlights, but they do look really beautiful and they feel really good. And you get a mirror on the whole top half of the highlighter, so very excited. Okay, moving on, and then we'll come back to trying that on. Moving on to this beauty because it was right there staring at me. So this is the Ace BEAUTE 3-piece face brush set. So this is also valued at $28. There's 3 brushes in here, full-sized. And then it says these face brushes are on their way to becoming your everyday staples. This set includes everything you need for a flawless base: a foundation brush, a powder brush, and a contour brush. What more could I ask for? With their sleek profile, comfortable grip, and soft bristles, they're the perfect addition to any makeup bag. So let's open this up. So here is the, I'm assuming, foundation brush, because this is usually what they look like, but it feels very soft. I don't know how well this would apply foundation just because it's very soft. Like usually like the more dense sturdy brushes are good for applying foundation, but who's to say this won't be? So I'm very excited to try this out. Love how they're angled. Feels like really good to hold. So very excited. And then this one, I'm assuming is like, what are these? A foundation brush, a powder brush, and a contour brush. Obviously this is probably the contour brush. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. Also very, very soft though. Like I love how soft these are. And then here is the powder brush. So I'm going to take this, dip into these. I'm gonna like swirl them together and see what kind of a concoction we get that way. And I'm just gonna apply. Oh my God, I'm beaming, you guys. This actually is not subtle. Like, I know I have highlighter on already, but this, after putting it on, is like taking my highlighter and just like my whole look up like 3 notches. Let me just do this on the tip of my nose because I don't have anything on there right now. Okay, on its own, it is a little bit more subtle. Like I have some highlighters where if I just touch the tip of my nose, it's like beaming. And this I feel like is giving it a nice subtle highlight. I'm a fan. I feel like this looks really pretty. The color is really nice. It's very natural. It's not like chunky glittery, but it's very beaming. Like I look very much glowy and highlighted. So I am a fan. Felt really, really good applying with this brush. Like it just felt really good touching my face. And the product itself, the highlighter, gorgeous color, especially mixing them together. So very excited about both of these. Next product in the group. So next up we have PEAR Nova. So this is a eyeshadow and eyeliner. It's an eye duo stick, shadow and liner. It's in rose quartz, so it goes for $25. Everything is like very nicely priced. And this is also a new brand, so I'm very excited. It's 0.21 grams or full sized. And then it says, the secret to epic eyes in just 60 seconds. This little wonder that's loaded with grapeseed oil and vitamin E to ensure a velvety smooth finish. With both eyeshadow and eyeliner in one perfect package, it makes your look both easy and gorgeous. We will see about that. I'm very curious to see like what the eyeliner looks like specifically, like if it's just black or... This is interesting. Okay, hold on. So here is like the eyeshadow. Obsessed with that color. It's super creamy. And then this side I'm really curious about. Okay, so it is like a dark brown, which I love. I'm not grabbing for black eyeliners at the moment, really. I don't know why, but I just love the browns lately. So I'm very excited. This seems more like a lip liner to me though, so we'll see how it goes. Let's just like apply really quick though and see how they both look on my eyes. Okay, so I feel like the eyeshadow was very, very subtle. Like I feel like if you're looking for a super subtle, almost like eyelid colored, if you're similar to my complexion, kind of eyeshadow that's like super quick and on the go, this is pretty convenient actually. I feel like it was really quick to just like apply and then blend with my finger, but it is also almost not detectable at the same time. So I'm still 50-50 on the eyeshadow. The eyeliner I actually love. Like it was so easy to just like glide this on and apply it like I would any other eyeliner. So I'm really, really into this. I'm gonna continue playing around with it and see what happens, but so far I'm very much interested. Next up we have Iconic London ENRICH and Elevate mascara. I already have a mascara on, but I'm gonna do what I can. So this is valued at $29, so everything's around that price range. I know Iconic London. This is a full size, 7.5 milliliters. It says, time to level up your lash game with this groundbreaking mascara. The innovative curved flexi wand helps to grip onto every single little lash, coating them in the strengthening Grow Active Sim Lash formula and rich black pigments. If you're not into separated, fanned out, and fuller looking lashes with a soft, flexible finish, this is definitely for you. Sounds like they're calling my name over here. So let's open this up and see what the mascara looks like. I love the gold packaging, but it feels like a little like plastic. That's okay. Here's the wand. It is like curved, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. This almost reminds me of my my Benefit roller lash, like the applicator, just a tiny bit. Let's just apply on top of what I have and see what happens. So far, I really like this. I feel like coating it on top of the mascara I already had, it didn't make my eyelashes look clumpy, which I feel like can happen a lot of times, especially if you wait a really long time in between coats. So it was really nice to see that this didn't get clumpy, and it did give me length and kept my lashes separated. So I am really liking this right now, but obviously I'm gonna continue trying it and playing around with it when I don't already have a mascara on. And then last but not least, we have, what is this? CIATE London, which I like that brand a lot. It's their Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. So this goes also for $28. Everything was $28 or around that ballpark today, which is nice. 30 milliliters, so it's the full size. It says, the secret to a fresh, radiant complexion, this Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer, obviously. This little gem is all about the good stuff: niacinamide, peptides, probiotics, and a hydrating moisture complex. Each ingredient works together to help reduce fine lines and leave your skin looking youthful and plump. I don't know who wouldn't want that. That just sounds really, really nice. So taking it out of the packaging, love the packaging. It's very simple, yet it's like teal, so it stands out at the same time. Love the pump. I also love that this is like a plasticky, or I don't know if it's plastic or what you would call this, but it's like very travel friendly. It's not glass, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. Obviously this one I can't try on my face because I already have like a full face of makeup on, but I am gonna swatch on the back of my hand and see what this looks like. Here it is. It feels, oh my god, this is weird. It feels like thick and thin at the same time. Like when I first touched it with my finger, it felt like it was gonna be thick, and then when I started to blend it, it literally feels like it like melted right into my skin and thinned out. So that's really cool. And then it feels a little bit tacky. It's like not too much, but not too little. So it's the perfect amount. Just feels really, really nice. As far as plumping goes, I don't know yet because I didn't try it on my face or see what it does specifically, but just feeling it on the back of my hand, it feels really good. So I'm very, very excited to see how this will do underneath makeup products. So overall, I feel like there wasn't necessarily like a theme to this box, but it's all products that I see myself using like every day. Like all of these products, between brushes, mascara, a primer, a highlighter, and like an eyeshadow eyeliner thing. I see myself using all of these products. They're like practical for me in my everyday life. So I think this box was a huge success. I'm so excited to keep trying these products out and playing with them and see what I continue to use and grab for. So this box, A+, I'm very happy, and that is it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I think closing out 2023's Ipsy/BoxyCharm year was a success. I got some really, really good boxes this year, and especially this one as my last one. So I'm very excited to go into 2024 and see what's next with these. So that's it. So comment, let me know what you guys think about what I got, if we got the same things, if we got different things. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to do for you. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.